You know that weirdly satisfying rush you feel after cleaning out that one junk drawer that's been stressing you out for months? Yeah, that's not just productivity. That's psychology. And once you understand what's actually happening in your brain while you declutter, you might never look at organizing the same way again. So if you love that fresh, clean feeling after tidying up, hit that subscribe button. Because today we're diving into the hidden brain science behind why letting go feels so good. Let's start with the obvious, the feel-good chemical, dopamine. Every time you throw something away, donate a shirt, or clear off a messy surface, your brain gives you a tiny dopamine reward. It's the same neurotransmitter linked to motivation, pleasure, and accomplishment. Each item you remove is like checking off a mini goal. Toss. Reward. Organize. Reward. Your brain starts to love the process. But here's the thing, it's not just about cleaning. It's about control. We live in a world where so much feels uncertain. Deadlines, bills, relationships, world news, most of it is out of our hands. But decluttering? That's different. You are in charge. You decide what stays. You decide what goes. In that moment, your environment listens to you. That sense of control is incredibly powerful for the brain. And that connects directly to anxiety. Psychologists have found that cluttered environments can actually raise cortisol levels. That's the hormone linked to stress. Visual clutter creates what's called sensory overload. Your brain is constantly processing all the unfinished business around you, the pile of papers, the clothes on the chair, the random cables you keep meaning to sort. Even when you're not thinking about the mess, your brain is. So when someone starts organizing, they're not just cleaning, they're calming their nervous system. For people dealing with anxiety, decluttering becomes a coping mechanism. You might not be able to fix a stressful job today, but you can organize your desk. You might not be able to solve a complicated relationship overnight, but you can clean out your closet. That small act of order sends a bigger message to your brain. I can handle things. I can create stability. There's also something called cognitive load. Every object you own makes a tiny demand on your mental energy. That closet full of clothes you never wear? That's not abundance. That's dozens of silent decisions waiting for you every morning. Should I wear this? Do I still like that? Why do I even have this? Decluttering reduces decision fatigue. When you keep only what you truly use and love, life gets simpler. Getting dressed is faster. Finding things is easier. Your brain doesn't waste energy filtering through unnecessary options. That mental space can then be used for things that actually matter: creativity, focus, rest. But maybe the deepest part of decluttering isn't about space. It's about identity. The things we own often represent past versions of ourselves. The expensive kitchen gadget from your "I'm going to bake every weekend" phase. The clothes from a job you've outgrown. The hobby supplies from a dream you quietly let go of. Letting go of these items can feel emotional, because you're not just releasing stuff. You're releasing old identities. And when you say, "I don't need this anymore," you're also saying, "I accept who I am now." That's not just organizing. That's self-growth. Finally, decluttering acts like a psychological reset button. After a breakup. After moving to a new place. At the start of a new year. When life changes, we often feel the urge to clear our surroundings. That external reset mirrors an internal one. An empty shelf doesn't just look neat, it feels like possibility. Like breathing room. Like a fresh chapter waiting to be written. So the next time you see someone happily sorting, folding, and tossing things away, remember. They're not just tidying up. They're regulating their emotions. They're lowering stress. They're reclaiming control. They're redefining who they are. That's a lot of psychology packed into one trash bag. If this made you look at decluttering differently, make sure you like this video, drop a comment about the last thing you finally let go of, and subscribe for more mind-blowing psychology hiding in everyday life. Because sometimes cleaning your room is actually cleaning your mind.